So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Kindle stuck on low battery screen, quick charge, reset and cable fix. So fix 1 is plug it into a wall charger. Make sure that you are using the original Kindle cable. Plug it into a wall outlet, make sure the charging light turns on. Fix 2 is leave it charging for at least 30 minutes. Avoid pressing buttons immediately after a device has powered off. If it has been dead for a long time, leave it for 12 to 24 hours. Some Kindle need a full day to recover from battery drain. Third fix is force restart the Kindle. Press and hold the power button for 40 seconds, then ignore any screen flash during this time. Release the power button after 40 seconds, wait for 1 to 2 minutes before processing. Fourth fix is try a different power cable and adapter. If it's still stuck, use this. Replace the USB cable, swap out the wall adapter, test a different power outlet. A faulty cable is a frequent source of problem. Fifth fix is clean the charging port. Turn off the charger. Check the Kindle charging port for dust or lint. Gently clean the port with the soft brush or dye toothpick. Then reconnect the charger firmly. Thank you for watching.